everybody, hope you're well. Aman Bharti here, and I'd like to invite you to my new hands-on course, B.O.P.T 2021. So Friday the 26th of March, we'll be doing a full day hands-on preparation course in London. We'll be covering hands-on preparation on plastic teeth. We'll be covering vertical preparations, the B.O.P.T concept. We'll be showing you specifically as well how to provisionalize for this concept. Provisional restoration is key to success in the verteprep concept, so we'll be showing you hands-on how to fabricate provisionals. We'll also be covering impression techniques, case selection, showing you many case presentations, and much more. It would be an honor if you could join me. Attached to this newsletter is the booking link, the flyer, and if you haven't done so already, or if you haven't seen it, I'd be honored if you would download the ebook. Have a look at some of the cases, have a look at what the B.O.P.T concept actually is, for those of you who are not familiar. And for those of you who are familiar, this is an opportunity for you to be able to hone your skills and take away all these concepts to be able to use these patients on Monday morning. So once again guys, Friday the 26th of March, it would be an honor if you could join me. Thank you.